at this yellow ball, class. Yellow bring cheerful, bright energy that helps you concentrate much better. Yellow represents sunlight, warmth, and positivity. Brain stay active longer. Teacher, this sunflower picture shows how yellow naturally stands out clearly even from afar. Teacher, natural yellow. These yellow stickers help you remember that yellow means bright, cheerful, and welcoming energy. Teacher, the yellow stickers make yellow objects are easy to notice, which is why classrooms often use yellow supplies. Teacher, that explains why yellow... This warm yellow lamp shows how yellow lighting can help relax your vision naturally. Teacher, the soft yellow glow feels... Yellow is used in friendly spaces because it creates inviting, warm emotional reactions instantly. Teacher, this yellow fruit example shows how nature uses color to attract attention for survival. That explains why bananas and lemons... Yellow is also used for caution signs because humans react quickly to its brightness. Teacher, correct. I always notice in your yellow workbook page so we can identify natural yellow objects together. Let's compare this yellow marker with natural petal tones to study their differences carefully. Yellow looks softer. Yellow can influence mood quickly by increasing emotional responses almost immediately. Some animals use yellow markings to appear friendly or warn predators, depending on context. Teacher, we'll now test yellow divisibility using the projector to display brightness variations. Teacher, the projector makes yellow a... Excellent work, class. Yellow category is complete. Teacher, I'm ready to learn green because nature uses it in almost everything. Here is a real potted plant class. Green represents life growth and natural freshness. Teacher, the green leaves make me feel relaxed. Green helps calm the mind, which is why many schools include plant for balance. Teacher, that's true. Nature green as a default background, making other bright colors stand out clearly. Explains why flowers look vivid. This projector, pastel from mint pastel to deep forest tones. Look closely at this leaf diagram to understand how green through chlorophyll. The science part is cool because green often symbolizes safety, which is why emergency signs use a green background, teacher. I never noticed that. This color wheel shows how green sits between blue and yellow in the spectrum. Teacher, that position makes sense. Let's test object matching by finding items in your desk that contain green. I found my pencil case and ruler both have cute green stripes. Green reduces stress, which helps students focus better while studying difficult topics. Teacher, maybe that's why this classroom feels peaceful. Observe how this green light filter changes the mood of the entire classroom. Teacher, the atmosphere suddenly feels colder. Now compare natural green versus artificial green using the plant and plastic samples. Teacher, natural green appears soft. This experiment shows how mixing blue and yellow paint create a basic green tone. Try smelling this mint leaf sample to experience green beyond visual perception. The mint smell may... Green also represents balance, so many eco-friendly logos use it intentionally. Teacher, đúng rồi. Excellent work, class. Green category is complete, so prepare to learn the color blue next. Teacher, blue represents the sky, oceans, and peaceful feelings that help your mind stay calm naturally. Yes, teacher. Observe this blue water sample to understand how oceans reflect sunlight beautifully. Teacher, this blue tone feels refreshing, like cool weather. Blue lowers stress, so classrooms often use blue accents to support student focus. Teacher, the projector will display multiple blue shades, ranging from sky blue to deep navy. Teacher, lighter blues feel soft. Blue represents trust, reliability, and calmness, which is why many uniforms use it. Teacher, blue... Look at this cloud photograph to see how blue creates open, spacious perspectives. The blue sky behind the cloud. Blue slows down heart rate, which helps you learn comfortably during longer lessons. Teacher, that explains why blue feels relaxing even when class gets challenging. Here are blue classroom objects, like ruler shades, notebooks, and folder covers for recognition practice.
This color wheel shows blue pairs perfectly with white and green in natural scenes.
Teacher,
that combination reminds me of snowy mountains.
let's dim the lights to highlight cooler blue tones for better color training.
Teacher, the classroom suddenly feels like winter with the cool blue atmosphere.
Blue also represented technology.
Which is why many deans use blue light. Teacher, that makes sense. This aquarium image shows how water reflects blue even though water has
No color. No color.
We will compare artificial blue paint with natural sky blue to improve observation skills. Teacher, natural blue appears softer while blue encourages imagination. So artists often use it to express creativity beautifully.
Teacher, many fantasy.
Class blue category is now complete. So prepare for our next color, pink.
I'm excited because pink always...
Pink represents softness, kindness, and gentle emotions that make people feel warm inside.
Yes, teacher. Look at this cherry blossom picture class. Pink appears naturally in delicate flower petals.
Flower petals like tiny.
Pink can also be bold because bright pink catches attention in decorations. Teacher said that bright pink... This pink eraser shows how school tools use pink to feel friendly to students.
Pink items always look comfortable.
Observe how pink light from the projector changes the classroom mood instantly.
Teacher, the pink glow makes the room feel dreamy, sweet, and super relaxing.
Pink often symbolizes care. So hospitals use pastel pink to comfort children.
Teacher, pink feels gentle.
Let's study pink tones. From baby pink to strong hot pink for comparison, teacher. Each pink tone gives a different... Pink pairs well with white, yellow, and blue to create very cute combinations.
Teacher, that combo looks like...
Pink appears in animals like flamingos, which turn pink because of their food.
Teacher, flamingos changing color.
Let's compare this pink flower model with actual blossom photos to see texture differences.
Hey, teacher.
The real blossoms look softer.
Pink memories feel warm, which is why diaries and notes often use pink covers.
Teacher, pink notebooks feel personal. Pink helps the brain relax. So many relaxations include soft pink lighting. The pink glow reduces stress. Observe how pink interacts with natural daylight to create a sweet, gentle ambiance.
Teacher, the warm pink reflection makes the class...
Pink often symbolizes affection.
And so many books, toys, and pastel books, pastel pink.
Work, class. Pink category is finished, and now prepare for our final color, red. Teacher, red feels exciting because...
Strength.
Red represents strength, passion, and that stand out clearly anywhere you see them. This red apple model shows how red foods often appear fresh, bright, and appetizing. Observe this red light filter and see how warm tones affect a classroom atmosphere. Teacher, the red light feels intense like... Red is used for warning signs because humans react fastest to strong, vivid...
Sure, that makes sense.
Because reds mix red and yellow to create orange. Orange, which is a bright secondary color.
Teacher,
What? Now mix red with blue to produce purple. Another beautiful, strong secondary color. Teacher, red increase heart rate, which is why people feel excitement and quickly.
Teacher,
This color chart showed interarchos heights.
this color
Red interact with dark tones to create dramatic cones to those look strong contrasts. Red clothing expresses confidence, which is why many leaders use it during speeches. Teacher, red outfits look bold. This red balloon shows how warm colors expand visual energy inside the classroom. Teacher, that balloon makes the whole room feel... Observe how red interacts with white, creating soft, friendly tones perfect for decoration. Teacher, that combination reminds me of candy canes. Red appears less frequently in nature, so when it does, it becomes eye-catching. That rarity is why red flowers, fruits, and... Red symbolizes love, emotion, and strength, which is why hearts and roses use red.
Teacher,
We will now compare bright red, deep red, and pastel red to understand tones.
teacher,
Each red tone shows different... Great job, class! We completed all our colors today and learned them beautifully. Thank you, teacher. This lesson made colors feel alive.